welcome to HW News, and the breaking news at this moment is coming across from Karnataka. The unending drama of the Karnataka politics has taken up a new turn with the reports of BJP trying to poach the Congress MLAs. Reportedly, 5, including Congress MLAs and independents supporting Congress, they have been flown into Mumbai by the BJP and are camped with one of the BJP leaders over here. Now, in a recent development, 2 MLAs who have been supporting the Congress-JDS alliance government in Karnataka have withdrawn their support from this government. H. Nagesh, an independent MLA from Mulabagilu Assembly constituency, and R. Shankar, an MLA from Ranebennur, have withdrawn their support and written a letter to the governor of the state informing the same. However, according to a Mumbai Mirror report, there are about 5 MLAs more that are stationed in Mumbai, including Nagendra B, Bhima Naik, Kampli Ganesh, Anand Singh and Pratap Gowda. We at HW News tried to contact the leaders to know the truth, and we called up Pratap Gowda Patil, who is an MLA from Maski. Patil confirmed with us that he is not in Mumbai, and in fact he is not even stationed in Renaissance Hotel in Powai. Here is the conversation that I had with him.
ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದೈತಿ. ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಬೈದಾಗ ಅದೀರಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿಲಿದ್ದು ರಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು ಅದೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದು. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿದಾಗಿ ನೀವು ರಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಶಂಕರ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಾಗೇಂದ್ರ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಶಾಸಕರು, ಅವರು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಬಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಬೆಂಬಲನ ವಾಪಸ್ ತಕ್ಕಂತಾರ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಮತ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಐತಿ? ನೀವು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ದಾಗಿಂದ ರಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹಂಗ ಏನೈತಿನ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ನಕತ್ತಾರ ಬಿಜೆಪಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು.
ಓಕೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೈತಿ? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಹಿಂಗ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾವು. ಡಿ.ಕೆ. ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅನ್ನಕತ್ತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 MLAs ಅದಾರ, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ MLAs, ಅವ್ರು ಮಿಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅದಾರ. ಅದ್ರಾಗ ನಿಮ್ದನೇ ಹೆಸರೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವೈದಾಗ ಮುಂಬೈದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಹೋಟೆಲ್ದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಂತಾರ ಅಂತಂದು.
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿಗೆ ಬಂದೀವಿ. ನಾನು ಕೊಲ್ಲಾಪುರದಾಗ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ಲದಿರಿ ನೀವು ಈಗ?
ಕೊಲ್ಲಾಪುರ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಟೆಂಪಲ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಲಿದ್ದು ರಿಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
While there have been reports of horse trading and MLA poaching by the BJP in Karnataka, we also talked to Ram Shinde, a water resource minister in Maharashtra cabinet, to know the truth. He has been saying that given 3 days, the BJP will form the government in Karnataka as well. Let us hear from him as well what he had to say.
ऐसा है कि जो सीएम सर ने बोला है कर्नाटक के कि मेरे पास बहुमत है तो बताने की क्या जरूरत है? मत है तो बताने की जरूरत नहीं. इसलिए उनको जिन्होंने सपोर्ट दिया है उनके मन में इनके पास कोई विश्वास नहीं, इसलिए उन अनकॉन्फिडेंस में आ गए. इसलिए जो कुछ भी चल रहा है वो विश्वास एक दूसरे के ऊपर नहीं रह चुका. और वैसे ही हमारे बड़ी पार्टी होने के कारण मैंडेट हमें मिला था. तीसरा नंबर का पार्टी जीत गया. तो दूसरे वाले के फाइबल हो गए. हम इतने सीट जीत कर आए भी और उनका सीएम हो रहा है, तो उनके मन में कोई विश्वास नहीं, इसलिए वो अभी अनकॉन्फिडेंस हो गए उनके सीएम के सब्जेक्ट में. तो हमें मैंडेट मिला है.
सर 104 सीटें आपने जीती थी सर कर्नाटका में.
सबसे
तो
ज्यादा.
और किस तरह से बहुमत के लिए और किस तरह से आप लोग आंकड़े जुटाएंगे सर?
आंकड़े जुटाएंगे, बराबर हो जाएगा. 2-3 दिन ही वेट करो,
यानी कि 2-3 दिन के
हमारा
बाद
गवर्नमेंट आएगा
कर्नाटक में.
मेरा कोशिश करना बात मेरा नहीं है, मेरे जो वरिष्ठ नेता है वो कर रहे हैं.
Okay.
The Congress and JDS coalition government in Karnataka has more than 113 MLAs which are required for majority to form the government in Karnataka Assembly, whereas BJP, which emerged as the single largest party in the election that were contested last year in May 2018, has 104 MLAs, and it needs more 9 MLAs to stake claim to form the government in the state. It has also failed in the floor test in Karnataka that was conducted last year. when the governor had ordered that, when the governor had given 15 days period for the BJP to form the government in the state and prove that they have the numbers. However, now there have been reports that some of the MLAs have been poached by the BJP, and BJP is trying to form the government in the state before the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, and the efforts are on, as we also heard from Ram Shinde, and minister in the Maharashtra cabinet, who said that there are senior leaders also working on this mission. However, the news has once again invoked fears about Operation Lotus, an infamous tactics adopted by BJP Karnataka President B.S. Yediyurappa to oust the Congress government in the state by poaching MLAs or horse trading. Reportedly, Maharashtra PWD Minister Chandrakant Patil is overlooking this mission from BJP side. However, the BJP has shifted all its MLAs to Gurgaon and Haryana. And senior Congress leaders in the state have maintained that the BJP is only daydreaming of poaching the MLAs and expressed confidence that no leader would defect to the other party. Meanwhile, H.D. Kumaraswamy, the Karnataka Chief Minister, has said that the two MLAs who have withdrawn their support from this Congress-JDS alliance government will be of no use to BJP, and he said that the coalition government is strong and they do not need to fear as well. However, H. Nagesh, who has withdrawn his support from the government, has said that the coalition government has many misunderstandings between them and there is no coordination between the coalition government, and that is why he resigned and he withdrawn his support from the Congress-JDS alliance government. However, now it remains to be seen what will happen next in the Karnataka government, whether the BJP be able to form the government in the state ahead of 2019, then it will again be a major blow to Congress, because it was Congress and JDS who together came and formed the government in the state. After so long time, Congress retained its power in the state after a major defeat in Gujarat Assembly election. So what will be next will be up to see.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.